In the Dáil chamber, I thought I had a pen in my pocket and discovered it was a toothbrush. Silly me, and that happened. I was watching the rugby while cleaning the upholstery on the sofa and singing The Fields of Athenry. Nerves are racked, which they were. So spaghetti tonight, garlic bread and olive oil. I love olive oil. First Pilates of 2015. Janta agum, tough, chucky R. Dreamt I was eating cream eggs. Woke up this morning, pillow and beard covered in chocolate and cream thingamy-bob. And that happened as well. Well, my favourite rapper is myself. I was born with a beard, but I stopped shaving when I was 3. And this actually happened in a small restaurant with my family. Everybody else got strawberry on their pavlova, except me. Well, may you sympathise. Saw the dawn breaking, grey light, out on the bike. Saw a squirrel chasing a cat, a grey one. The squirrel, that is, glad to be alive, so is the cat. And I used to sing the Black Velvet Band at the top of my voice while cycling to Glen Navy. I once got so carried away that I cycled into a field. Well, Sinn Féin, they're the sort of what people have described as a grand Sinn Féin strategy, and others have described as weird and peculiar.
What about those?